Hey folks, today we're going to go over to how to fold up a Magnum folding bike. First step, what you're going to do is you're going to click the pedals in. Next, you're going to come up to the stem, undo the latch, fold it over. Then the middle latch, be sure to push it up to get it to go. And your bike's folded. First, you're going to start with down tube, kickstand, drop that down, pull the latch out towards the drive side, lift it up until you hear that click, push it through the gate and lock it. Next, we're going to move up to the stem. Same deal, put it back in place, hear the lock. Lastly, move to the pedals, hear the click, and you're set.